Hello, I'm Jason. This is Wager Transport Channel. It's been a while since I uploaded a video or anything. I don't do much of this, but I thought it'd be good to do one today on this Garmin dash camera 47. Yep, Garmin dash cam 47. What do you get with it? We get, not the dog, we get a long cable from the camera to the USB port, and a short cable in case you don't need that much length. You get a charger plug, lighter plug, and then the camera itself. This is just forward facing. I didn't want the back facing because this is going to go in the semi, but for right now we're going to give this thing a workout in the F-250. So I'm going to mount this in my truck. That way I can take it out of my pickup and put it in the semi whenever I want. And all it is this magnet right here. This peels off, sticks to the window. You pull this off and that magnet there stays on the window, and then you put another one on the semi and this goes on the semi. So that's all you have to do. And then the cord. Yeah, nice little screen. It's not touch screen. 4 buttons on the side, easy to get to, quick and easy. Memory card here that came with it. I think it's small, but I think it goes for like 8 hours. Yeah, has audio if you want it. You can turn it on and off. And yeah, let's put this in the truck and get a review going on. Whew, it's hot in here. All right. For placement, so you can tell this thing that if it's a high vehicle, a low vehicle, you want on the left, right, or in the center. You preset all that. This truck is jacked up a little bit, but I'm not gonna put it up too high. I'm gonna leave it down a little bit, and that way the cord isn't all everywhere, and it'll just tuck in into the compartment here. I'm thinking about putting it right here, and then the cord can just literally go down, and then in here you can plug it in there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use some little alcohol, clean off the window, put it on there. Alright, let's see what you think. It's in the center of the window. It's in, I guess, mid. You see the footage there. It's on and working. Cord just goes down. I just got it going down there and then back into here. And I actually used a cigarette lighter plug that it came with and plugged it in. Give it a try. And let's see. Oh, I just hit something that says picture and video saved. I don't know what that means. It's Wi-Fi. It says Wi-Fi is on, a good signal, no mic, and it says saving. I don't know what that meant. So here's save. Yeah, we're just gonna drive and figure it out. Alright, what I noticed right away, it stays on. So it's plugged in to power, and it is it's always on. So I cut my car off and it stayed on. So either I'm going to put it on its own switch, or it's just going to draw power, or manually turn it off. I guess that's not a bad idea too. So yeah, we're rolling. Let's check this thing out. So it's not doing anything. No screen. It's just a red light that's on. It's not saying anything or doing anything. So supposedly it'll tell you if you're not maintaining a lane, It'll tell you when there's a car in front of you, like stopping. Yeah, it does all kinds of stuff. It's really nice. Speed limit, direction or location. So we're gonna go pick up my son from school. So we're gonna use it going there. It does have a time lapse where you can set it to record fast. So like, you know, you're driving for 30 minutes, it actually takes 10 seconds, you know. Spoke too soon. I just stopped recording and then I got an alert, forward collision warning. It's because of I was kind of close to this guy in front of me. Isn't that cool? I guess a lot of the newer vehicles do that and everything, but this is a 2016 250. It doesn't have that option. So let's see if I can get it to do it again. It didn't do it that time, and I'm closer. Maybe, oh, you know what? I believe it's under 30. If you're going under 30 miles an hour, it won't do it. I'm pretty sure that's what I read. So once I take off, I'll get it up to 30 and hit record and see if I can tailgate somebody. So I did learn the bottom button on the right, you can hit it and it'll save a picture and video. It's saving video all the time and it loops after however big your SD card is. Once it gets full, it'll just loop over it. So if your card's, you know, 16 gig or whatever it is, I think that's like 8 hours. So every 8 hours it'll loop back over, which is fine by me. Because if it's over 8 hours, I'm not interested in it anyway. What I'm interested in is current, you know, when someone pulls in front of me or slams on the brake checks, or something like that. And then if, say somebody pulls out in front of me and slams on the brakes, and I can reach up and hit that button, that bottom right button, and it'll save it separately. And I don't know how long it saves for, but it saves like a little clip separate from the 8 hours of recording. Going 30 plus. I want to get close to this car in front of me. Oh, yep. Forward collision warning. See how close I am? I'm like a car and a half length away from that car. So it says forward collision warning. So I'm real anxious to see what kind of footage it does. I've watched videos of them and it seems to be really good footage. I heard that it's not like where you can pick up a tag. It's not that detailed. If you're kind of far away, it doesn't do a tag, like a hit and run situation or something, but it'll it does pretty good. I've seen videos at night also. See, unless it does something odd, I'm not going to record anymore until we get back home and download some footage, and then I'll put some of the footage of the trip, of this little trip, on the video, and that way you can see what it looks like when it's recording and how it works. Alright. Okay, this is something interesting it just did. I stopped at the red light. I'm behind a car. The cars in front of me took off, and I haven't released my brake yet, so I didn't start moving at the same time as the car in front of me did, and it came up as an alarm saying traffic is moving. So it detected the car in front of me took off. So if you're not paying attention and you're on your phone or talking or looking out the window and you don't see the traffic take off, it'll beep and tell you, hey, traffic's moving. That's kind of neat. Okay, so here we're gonna do that traffic is moving alarm. So here's a red light. I'm gonna stop. lights turn green. I want to stay here. And it just it yelled at me. It says traffic is moving. And it came up with like a little screen on there. That's pretty cool. It's pretty easy. On the app or on the camera itself, you go to gallery and you go to unsaved videos, and then it'll give you what I took off like at the house all the way to here. It's all there, and then you can cut and trim and save and export, do whatever you want to do to the video. If you want to keep something, say on the way you saw something weird, I don't know, it has nothing to do with anything, but you wanted to save it, you can go back and find it, save that clip, and then upload it, save it to your pictures on your phone or whatever. Yeah, it's pretty easy to deal with. Very user friendly. Like I said, there's just 4 buttons, easy to push, they're quick and easy to find. And then this app is great. You can just kind of play with it, get to know it. But I'll load the footage, some of the footage that I drove here, so you can see it. Like I said, this is the Garmin 47 dash cam. I got it at Best Buy. I think it was like 130 bucks, 150 bucks, I think. I like it because it's easy to use. It's, you know, buttons are right there to use. You just got to figure out how to use it. Cool. Any questions, comments? Feel free, and like and subscribe, please. Thank you.